Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing executable file error on Steam. Let's go step by step. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click the game that's giving you trouble and select Properties. On the left, click on Installed Files. Then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let the process complete 100%. This will replace any missing or corrupted game files. Now go to the Start menu, type Task Manager and open it. Click the Details tab. Scroll down until you find steam.exe. Right-click it and select End Task, then confirm with End Process. This closes Steam and any background processes that may be stuck. Now open File Explorer, then click on This PC from the sidebar. Find the drive with Windows installed, usually C with the Windows logo. Open Program Files x86. Scroll down and open the Steam folder. Locate the folder named App Cache and delete it. Don't worry, Steam will recreate this folder the next time it runs. Go back to the Start menu, search for Steam, and open it. Once it launches, try launching or downloading your game again, and that's it. This should fix the missing executable error and get your game working properly.